Bloodborne pathogens and infection control. I'm Professor Shea, and over the course of the next week, we're going to have an in-depth approach to the administrative, the how-to, and the infectious agents that you and your employees are most likely to encounter. This course will take an in-depth approach to infection control guidelines that are specific. This will provide you a day-to-day approach as opposed to sticking you an infection control course that's generalized. There are various videos that you can watch at your leisure, as well as a textbook that you can use for reference. On the bottom of the screen, at this point, you will see my contact information. Please use that information to reach out to me at any point during this course, and I look forward to working with you. Thank you for choosing Cape Cod Community College for your infection control course.